Hey loves, so this is the hair that I'm using. It's the Reggae Marley hair in the color 1. I ended up using 2.5 packs of this hair. I'm also using my latch hook. My hair has already been braided into small box braids. This was truly a challenge for me to get the parting right at the back. But if you have assistance, you can definitely ask for somebody to help you out. I'm just applying some castor oil to my scalp. I did not add any braiding hair to my hair. This was just to ensure that this style is super lightweight and not too much tension is being added to my natural roots. However, if your hair is not as long as mine, you can definitely substitute and add some sort of lightweight braiding hair. I'm taking my latch hook to help me pull the hair through. I'm putting the hair into the latch hook, closing it, and then pulling it through. Now what I'm going to do is measure the length that I want my locks to be. Let that be one side of the hair and hold my natural hair with that. And the next piece that's remaining, which will be the longer end, I'm first wrapping a few times at the root and then wrapping along the rest of my hair. Now I'm using my index finger as an anchor to help keep the hair very tight. Once I get to the end, I'm going to knot it, wrap that all the way around, and then the little part that's still remaining, I'm going to wrap that around my hair and also secure it with another knot. Now I know some people usually burn their hair or use glue, but I found that this method works as well. Now if you guys notice, I'm kind of making sure that I'm spreading the hair that I'm wrapping around. This will just ensure that I get full coverage and you can't see my braid from underneath. Yeah, and it is super easy to do and this style looks so natural. I think that the color matches my hair perfectly. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I would have enjoyed making it for you. Comment down below what you think, if you like it, if this is a style that you would try. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much as always for watching and supporting this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!